Alright, we're steaming hot. Let's go with some olive oil. Throw down a little bit of butter. But there she goes. Put some Uncle Steve shake on top of it. Competition cow powder. We're going to throw, let's just go with the 2 cloves of garlic. Throw in some rosemary. A little bit of thyme. We're going to lift it up a little bit, let the goodness get underneath it. We're going to go to about 135 internal temperature. Alright, I'm going to do a little flip of it. Look at all that juices up in it. Oh, look at that. Woo! Alright, so what I'm going to do at this point is turn the gas down just a tad. Well, there's the end result. There's my meal. Yeah. Let's taste test that steak.